Hello everybody. Welcome back. Got a few changes happening in the little tiny house. One of them is extraordinary, and I'll put some photos in of this baby at night. Isn't that beautiful? Woo. So that is a piece of locust that we got at our little neighborhood slab shop. Baldwin Hardwoods, it's in Fort Collins. Great people. We bought numerous slabs from them over the years. And then we just added some pendant lights to them, as you can see. We got the light bulbs at Walmart. It makes a fantastic picture in the evenings. He also got all the lights wired in. Outlets are all on now. You can see here. Windows are all trimmed. We have not put the LED strip lights in yet, but we will be getting that done. He's waiting on me. It's my fault. Back here, not quite as many changes, but this is a cool one. Check out the fan. If you guys follow us on Instagram, I posted a picture of the fan yesterday. We love it. I think it's great for this space. And it puts out a lot of air. Even though I don't have it on at the moment, and it's hot in here. But we will be getting it on. And I think the rest of this you guys have already seen. Closet, yeah. Back here, I'm pretty sure you've seen all this. This room will be the next room, bathroom. But first, well, hi, Mr. Patches. First, we're gonna start laying the floor. Yay! But wanted to give you a quick update. We'll keep you posted as we start on the floor with a few pictures. Thanks for following. Promised you an update. Here's the update. This is the last one for today because it's 9:37. But we have figured out we have light now, which makes working in the evening much nicer, and it is way, way, way cooler. So, feels really good. This flooring came from Phillips Products.
Phillips Hardwood Products.
There you go.
In Texas.
And as you can see, it's hickory, and it is phenomenal. The floor will get just a natural Rubio monocoat on it, but it'll have to be sanded, so I'll get that tackled tomorrow. We got just a little bit left to do, but we have an outlet right here in the floor for the island. But this went together really nice this evening. Really nice. And gotta love those lights. I want to see what it looks like without the other ones on. Oh. Wow.
Did that the other night as
Oh, that's so pretty. That's all for today, you guys. We'll give you some updates tomorrow as we get the floor finished and on to the next little project. So, stay tuned. Good evening, everybody. Gonna give you a quick update. As you know, yesterday we finished most of the floor, and today we came back in and we finished along the doors here. About right here, we have the in-floor electric box, which we'll still have to cut out, but we decided we wanted to finish the floors first. So we've made 2 or 3 passes, I think 3 now, on these floors. And as you can see, they look fantastic. So the floors will actually get a Rubio monocoat, and it is the natural. And hopefully we can get that accomplished tomorrow. We've got a few spots that we still need to work on. Can you see the pink right there? Oh, not really. There's a little bit of pink right there. It was a low spot in the board that they already actually marked. So we knew we were gonna have to sand a little extra right there. We'll get another one right there. But for the most part, we think it looks great. It went together pretty easily. Didn't have many issues at all. Started raining on us this afternoon, which was really nice, cooled things off. But there again, takes extra time. Can't cut in the rain. So that's a quick update for today. I will keep you informed as we go through tomorrow, and maybe get some more video of him finishing the floors. We just rented the sander from Home Depot. He went over it the first time with 120, and then he went over it again with some 220. And we've decided we're gonna go back around. Some of these boards are super hard. If anybody's ever worked with Hickory, major hard, very, very hard. So it takes a little extra time, but it's great flooring because literally you have to truly just try to mess it up because it's so hard. So again, thanks for tuning in, everybody. And we will see you guys in the next update. Yes, you do. So as you can see and hear, he is buffing the floor. He is on his final pass. But while he's doing that, I just want to give you a quick rundown of what was done. This is a Rubio monocoat. It is a 1-coat stain sealer finish. We ran into this a little over a year ago, and we've used it on countertops and all kinds of things. So just know that there is some new kinds of products out there, and I feel like that works really well. So this product has an activator in it, and so you mix it up as a 3-to-1 ratio. We poured it out on the floor. He put the, you can see the little white pad on there, and we just put it on the floor, and he dipped the pad into it, and we put the finish down with the pad. Then we changed the pad to the one that's on there now, actually, and he took off as much of it as he could with that white burnish pad. And then we went and got some terry cloth towels, and we used the terry cloth towels to get off any excess. And as he gets closer to the end of this video here, you'll see, you can kind of see the terry cloth towel there when you get close. Yeah, there you can kind of see it. But we just kept changing that out until we got very little off of it. And we did that floor in 2 sections. So the section over there by the front windows, we did it first, and then we came back and did the section by where the fireplace goes. You can see him kind of going around the edges right there. We did stain all of the edges first, and then we came back in and we put the remaining stain and sealer down in the middle of the floor. But he's going around getting everything really close there. That made the floor very smooth, and when we are done with this, the whole idea is that it's a very natural look. So as you can see, we rented that from Home Depot, and you could do the same thing. But it's a beautiful finish, and he says it's slick. You can see the little pads that he's wearing as well. We just took one of those burnish pads and cut it in half so he can be on the floor and he's not leaving footprints anywhere. This is very helpful when you're trying to stain and you're trying to do all of this good stuff. So here you can see the white burnish pad that we used, and you can see some of it on the bottom. And then this is the towel, and he's been all over the floor, and he has a little bit on there, but not bad. Hello everybody, welcome back. What do you think about the floors? So we finished the floors late last night, and I didn't do a video. I wanted to do it today. I think they're gorgeous. So much character. So we are wood people. We have always been that way. And we like things a little different. We also knew that about ourselves. So not everybody's gonna love this floor, and we understand that. But we really like the floor. We did the cargo conversion last year, and I'll link it in the description, but there is a hickory bed in it. So the wood that you're seeing is hickory. And we did the bed in that last year, and it came out wonderful. But hickory is very hard. So we spent some quality time working on this floor. We started with some 120 grit, which we thought would work, didn't come close. We ended up going down to 60 grit. 60 grit with 3 or 4 passes was what we ended up doing. It took the ridges off, all of the end pieces. The mill where we got this from was Phillips Products in Texas, and they had marked for us any low spots, so that was helpful, where we knew we needed to sand a little bit extra to get everything leveled out. I will link their products in the description of this video as well. Those folks also had the ceiling wood, and we also got all of the trim from them. So the floors are hickory. We came back in, and after we sanded it with the 60, we came back and we used the 120, and you saw him then putting the stain down and buffing it off in the video. We rented a buffer. We used the Rubio Monocoat Natural on this. We wanted to keep it as light and show off as much of the wood grain as we could possibly do. We also didn't want to stain it a darker color. Just being in a tiny house, we thought it would be more beneficial to keep it lighter. We also have dark cabinets coming in on top of it. So there again, we want to make sure that we kind of kept it in a lighter tone. So the Rubio Monocoat Natural is what we used. We used the buffer. We put it down with the buffer. We came back and buffed it off, and then we used terry cloth towels to get up any of the excess finish. And it is slick. It is a very matte finish, but it is very, very smooth. And it takes about 24 to 36 hours to cure. And then they say to fully cure, it takes 6 to 7 days. And this will be waterproof. And on this hickory, it is hard. So it should be a very durable floor for us. So anyway, I just wanted to give you guys a last update for the week. We truly appreciate all of you that are following this process. We're excited. It changes so much every week now. We also hope that you guys are enjoying this. So if you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you subscribe, then you'll be the first to know when we post a new one. This next week, we're going to try to put cabinets in. We're also going to start working on the bathroom. We got our Crossville panels last week. Thank you, Crossville. Thank you, ProSource of Northern Colorado, for helping us out with those. And so that is a process. I will video all of that for you guys. He uses a Sluger system underneath all of that, and the tile will be on the walls. So it'll be fun to watch that transform. If you guys have any questions, please put them in the comments. Or if you're interested in somebody building you a tiny house, let's chat. Hope you guys have a great week.